my channel. Y'all, today we are going to do our giveaway, and I want you all to know that I appreciate so much. I truly appreciate the fact that today I got 13,000 subscribers, and y'all, I am so proud of me. I'm so thankful for you all, that you all support me. You all have been, riding with me on this journey, and I appreciate it. But let's get into this giveaway. Okay, so let me tell you about the rules, and I am going to put in the description the rules that apply. The first thing is you must be a subscriber, and how the winners will be obtained is through an app that someone told me about. So it randomly picks the winner. And how we're going to do this, how you're going to enter is you're going to put Glamify in the comments. And this is important, y'all. You have to email me the word Glamify. And you also have to specify your color of choice. Now, let me just make it clear that you may not get the color that you want, depending on, how much I have left of that color. I mean, throughout this whole entire process. So let me just tell y'all, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, those are the days that I will be announcing the winner, and I will only announce the winner on an upload. Those are the days I upload, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, I had to get my little Glam notebook to use because I be forgetting stuff. So once again, you're going to put Glamify in the comments. You're also going to go to my email, and you're going to put Glamify in there, and you're going to give me the color of your choice. And the reason I'm asking that you email me is because the winner, once I announce the winner, I don't want to announce the winner and then ask them to email me and someone else emails me. I want to already have this information so that I can, through your email, ask you, where do you want the tiles shipped to? Okay, and also, let's see. Of course, I said the color of choice, and the list of rules will be in the description. And I want you all to know that there is no company sponsoring this giveaway. YouTube asks that we say that. There's no company. It's only me. It's my stuff that I paid for, or there's some of the things that were given to me but not for the giveaway. I'm gonna do this, like I said, for 2 weeks, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and all entries are to be submitted before 12 a.m. the night tonight at 12, well, I'm gonna say in the morning, Saturday at 12 a.m. there will be no more entries for this particular giveaway. And there will be 3 people under one giveaway. So the next giveaway will be next week. So this giveaway will be the 3 people for next week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I hope y'all understand. And if y'all don't understand, just please email me, or you can leave a comment, and I will always answer. So if you have any questions, then you can put it there and I will address those questions. So y'all, that's really it. Y'all can start putting Glamifying in the comments. Also, Michigan Red, I just wanted to let you know that I truly appreciate one of your comments. It hit home. It was so heartfelt, and I really, really appreciate that. Miss Elissa, she said her name is Elissa. Girl, you were funny. I appreciate the laugh because I needed that. So y'all, let me tell y'all what we're going to do. We're going to get right into the giveaway. And I'm going to try to do a giveaway like every 3 months or something like that, if possible. I'm going to keep doing this. It makes me feel so good to be able to give, because y'all have given me so much. So I appreciate y'all, and let's get into this DIY Glamify. Okay, Glam fam, so this is the towel that I am giving away. This is the silver, the gold, and the rose gold. So let me just tell y'all, it's a lot of tile. It's a lot of it. So let me just tell y'all that it is used, and I said that in the previous videos. So those that don't want used tile, then this is not the, you know, a little giveaway for you, whatever. But they can be reused. I reuse them all the time. Some of them are not used. It just depends. I'm going to clean them up real good because they have been in previous DIYs, and then I'm going to package them for you. So I hope you all enter the giveaway, and I am so grateful to be able to do this. I feel so close to y'all. I feel like we're having fun. I wish we could have a game or something going on, but anyway, these are the tiles that I will be giving away, so don't forget to specify your color. Okay, Glam fam, so what we're going to use for this project is this box, in which I probably should use this to mail all of your stuff off. And we're going to use this diamond sheet. We're going to use our tile, some tape, this $5 lampshade from, I think I got it from Dollar General. We're going to use our, this came from another project. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our beautiful lamps turned out. I am so amazed at the results. My daughter just moved into another apartment, so I think these would make great, a great housewarming gift. So I think I'm gonna give these to her. And if you are visiting this channel, you're just stopping by, thank you so much for being here. And I hope you like what you see. And if you do, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And for the family, I am so glad you all are here as well. And I thank you so much for the 13,000 subscribers. Y'all are amazing. I am so grateful. So good luck on the giveaway today. Y'all be blessed. Thank you.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this?